Welcome to your video for creating new assignments for quarter 4 for year-long classes for a rolling gradebook. This is probably going to be the easiest quarter that you have yet in terms of creating new assignments for this year. So congratulations, you've made it. The first thing to do is to switch your focus. Sometimes SIS doesn't do this for you automatically, so it's important to check. If you see it says third quarter here, and we're now in the fourth quarter window of Monday, April 5th through Friday, June 11th, it's important that you change your focus. So you're going to click your class focus here and change from third quarter grading mark periods to fourth quarter grading mark periods. What you should notice is that you have the same number of assignments in your quarter 4 gradebook as you did when you're in your third quarter gradebook. If that's not the case, please follow the previous video for checking your quarter 3 and previous quarter assignments. You're definitely missing checking some boxes for your assignments. So once we're clicked into the fourth quarter and you go to create a new assignment, either from this quick view or by hovering over Gradebook and clicking New Assignment, you're going to make sure you put in your assignment name, date and due date as normal, assignment type, and your max score. And again, as normal, you'll check off whichever sections you would also like this assignment to apply to. And the only box that you need checked off is fourth quarter. So once you have all your info in, you've made sure fourth quarter is checked and you're in the fourth quarter gradebook, click Save.